I'll see how to solve a problem in ordinary differential equation. Here it is of the form y prime is equal to f of y by x. It is extended method. We have to change it into separable form. That is, for that we have to change y into some other unknown function. Then you have to solve. For this I have referred Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Kreyszig. First problem is the ordinary differential equation is xy prime is equal to y plus 2x cube sine squared y by x. Here you are taking u as y by x. So if you take u as y by x, then y is equal to ux. Now if you differentiate this, then y prime is equal to ux is like uv formula, so it is u plus x u prime. Now you substitute this in the ordinary differential equation, then it is x u plus x u prime is equal to ux plus 2x cube sine squared u. And here if you simplify this, then it is x squared u prime is equal to 2x cube sine squared u. That implies u prime is equal to 2x sine squared u. Now you can, it is of the form separable form. So if you keep u term in one side and x term in another side, then you can write du by sine squared u is equal to 2x dx. Now if you integrate, then it is equal to integral of du by sine squared u is minus cot u. So it is minus cot u is equal to x squared plus c. So u is your y by x. Now you substitute the value, then y is equal to minus x cot inverse of x squared plus c. This is the general solution of the given ordinary differential equation. The next problem is y prime is equal to y plus 4x whole squared. Here you take y plus 4x as u. Now you differentiate this, then it is dy plus 4 dx is equal to du. That is, you can write it as y prime plus 4 is equal to u prime. Now you substitute this value in the ordinary differential equation, then you can get u prime minus 4 is equal to u squared. Okay, because y prime is equal to u prime minus 4. So if you simplify this, it is u prime is equal to u squared plus 4. So we can write it as du by u squared plus 4 is equal to dx. Okay. Now if you integrate this, then du by u squared plus 4, it is a standard integral. So it is half into tan inverse of u by 2 is equal to, right hand side if you integrate, it is x plus c. That is equal to tan inverse of u by 2 is equal to 2 into x plus c. And if that is the case, then u by 2 is equal to tan of 2x plus c. Now you substitute this value, u is equal to y plus 4x. Then you can get y plus 4x is equal to 2 tan of 2x plus c. That is equal to y is equal to, that implies y is equal to 2 tan 2 of x plus c minus 4x. This is the general solution of this ordinary differential equation. Then the third problem is xy prime is equal to y squared plus y. Here you take u is equal to y by x. Then y is equal to ux. Now if you differentiate it, it is y prime is equal to u plus x u prime. Now you substitute this value in the differential equation. Then it is x u plus x u prime is equal to u squared x squared plus ux. Now you simplify it, then you can get y prime is equal to, u prime is equal to u squared. That implies du by u squared is equal to dx, like separable form. Now if you integrate, then it is equal to minus 1 by u is equal to x plus c. Now you substitute the value of u is y by x. So it is minus x by y is equal to x plus c. That implies y is equal to x by c minus x. So this is the general solution of this ordinary differential equation. Then the next problem is xy prime is equal to x plus y. Now here also you take y, u is equal to y by x. So y is equal to ux. So y prime is equal to u plus x u prime. Now you substitute these values, then you can get x u plus x squared u prime is equal to x plus x u. That implies x u prime is equal to 1. So it is equal to du is equal to dx by x. So now if you integrate, then you can get u is equal to ln of x plus c. Now you substitute this value for u, then you can get y is equal to x ln x plus cx.